Welcome guys, so today I am with Nokia Lite Earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off this device. So as you can see, I'm currently connected and I'm going to show you how to turn them off. As you can see, we have to hold our earbuds like that, and then in this place we can find touch control panel. So we have to click and hold until we hear power off. As you can see, they disappear from the list. So the next step to power on, just click and hold the same touch control panel, take a look on the available devices list, and as you can see, here they are. So all you have to do is just click and hold this place on your earbuds. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.